Uh, Only this time I come to know that this is the hapus, pure hapus, which is Alfonso. I was unnoticedly brought from somewhere else, and every year my mom is telling that this mango's taste is totally different from others. Which are others? I will show you. There are others here. You can see. This is the Kesher. This Kesher I brought from Gujarat, that is Valsad, and because when you can see and his hapus, so you can see here there is a reddish color will come from this. So this is a pure hapus Alfonso. The shape itself tells. So I'm very lucky that I'm able to successfully grown this. Is in Solapur district, Mangalore Taluk, and awesome. So I can able to harvest around some 500 hapus from this tree. Wow, it looks nice. So आप देख रहे हो इधर जो अल्फोंसा है, रेडिश सॉइल चाहिए, रेड लैटराइट सॉइल, एंड यहाँ थोड़ा उसको आई मीन इट सक्सीडेड. यहाँ देखिए जोड़ी कैसे आ रही है. फैंटास्टिक, आई लव दैट. इस hapus Alfonso, and here it comes the Kesher. You see the Kesher, the mango is little bit narrow and little bit slender, longer than lengthy. You can see here. See, this is a Kesher, and this is also Kesher. You can see the Kesher. This is Valsad from Gujarat Kesher I brought from. And here what happens, you can see they are very heavy and large. What happened, they are came down to the ground because we have to tie this one up, or otherwise it will damage the fruit. So what I will do is better I will can try this one upper side, okay, with the help of. So this is the Kesher, the pure Kesher, which I brought from Valsad and from Talala. So this is a Gir Kesher. It has special shape, and you can able to see its elongated shape, and little bit one, you can see here. So they are in the bundles. Okay, here you can see the Kesher, and so Kerala. This is you can see here, so it is ready to be harvested for another 2-3 days. It's getting color, it's pinkish color. Okay, yes. So this is how it looks. The Nagpur Santra. So I brought from Nagpur, but let us see how it can perform in this soil and this climate. This is unseasonal. I think this is a custard apple. It is yet to get ready, and but these are it's not a season. Unseasonal fruits are here, so we can expect some good fruits in coming days, probably in the month of July, August. Okay, and here comes the Bagalkot chickus, which I brought from Karnataka. So they are yet to get fruited, and you can see the shape of the fruit and the size of the fruit, which is Sapota. You can call it a Sapota. And this is Adulasa. We can call it as it is which used in expectorant. It is a medicinal plant, and here it is flowered condition. And here comes our Amrud. Still, the Amrud, it unseasonal fruits, but even though it is 24 months, we are getting fruits. This is not actual size of the fruit, double size, but anyhow, a lot of parrots are coming in the morning, and they are eating these fruits. So we feel happy that the birds are coming, and they are utilizing natural resources which I have brought for them from Western Ghat, and beautiful. You can see the flowers here. It's getting good aroma, and wow, you see, it's a typical what is it, the Raiju, and here you see flowers getting good smell. You see the technique of preserving the seeds This is a chinopodium seeds which is hanged. Nectanthus arbotratis. See some special one. And here comes the clitoria to measure that it is medicinal one. And this is Thai guava, Thailand. I mean, yesterday we harvested one very big. It is near about 500 to 600 kg. It's a dog variety. Here also the cashew. So you see it changing the colors. How beautiful. See, they are taking rest, our goats, in the shade of mango. Then jacaranda is there, and the jamun is there. This is a pure curry leaf, Deshi curry leaf, which I brought from somewhere else. I think probably from maybe from Ratnagiri or some. I think maybe from Sangli, some areas. So this is good. And this is the Gauti grass, that is citronella grass. So it's growing up here. And here comes the Papa's bike. And these are the mangoes, some brought from Andhra people. From Andhra. And they are big. ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಸೋ ಅಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಸಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ हे पाडाचा आंबा आहे पाडाचा आज आत्ताच काढलेला पाडा दिस इज अ प्युअर केशर यू कॅन सी हिअर ऑसम
मोबाईल पडसा रे